My name is Ivan B. Fernandez, and I was born on July 6, 2001. My zodiac sign is Cancer. According to my mother, she chose my name because I was born in an era defined by modernity, technology, and a unique world. A perfection reflection of a cybertech generation. I live in Malanday, Marikina City, a place celebrated for its vibrant community, spirit, and rich shoe-making tradition. Marikina is known for seamlessly blending urban convenience with a warm, close-knit atmosphere, and it proudly stands as one of the cleanest cities in the Philippines. Music is a huge part of my life, and I enjoy playing various instruments, including the drums, piano, bass guitar, electric guitar, acoustic guitar, and ukulele. I also have talent for sketching and portraits, which allows me to express myself creatively in different ways.
I am Ivan Philip F. Flauta from BIT4L Welding and Fabrication.
So hello, my name is Kian and I recently graduated from Marikina Polytechnic College with a degree of Welding and Fabrication Technology.
How did you hear about this position?
I found this position while looking for job opportunities that match my skills and career interest.
What type of work environment do you prefer?
I prefer to a work environment that nurtures creativity and problem solving. I enjoy collaborating on challenging projects. I find that my productivity and motivation thrive in a team that celebrate each other's achievements. And I thrive in collaborative, open-minded environments where ideas are freely shared and team members actively support each other.
How do you deal with pressure or stressful situations?
I do believe that stress can be categorized to positive and negative types. I deal with my stress by managing it and present the right challenges, helping me to stay focused and encouraging growth beyond my comfort zone for better outcomes. And also, I handle pressure by focusing on organization and prioritization. When I'm faced with a stressful situation, I take a step back, break down the task into manageable pieces, and tackle them one by one. I also try to maintain a positive mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities to grow and improve. If possible, I look for ways to streamline the process, delegate, or communicate with others to find support, staying focused on the end goal and practicing mindfulness help me to remain calm and clear headed under pressure.
Do you prefer working independently or on a team?
Sometimes I want to work alone because I think I can finish tasks more quickly, and other times I feel at ease working alone since I'm accustomed to working alone. However, it will speed up and lessen your exhaustion while you are with other people. Therefore, working in a group or simply together is preferable for me.
I enjoy both working independently and as a part of a team. When working independently, I can focus deeply, manage my tasks, and take responsibility for my own work. However, I also value teamwork because it allows for collaboration, sharing of ideas, and leveraging the strength of each member to achieve a common goal. I believe the best approach often depends on the situation, and I'm adaptable to either mode of work to ensure success.
When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized?
So I start by identifying the urgency and importance of each project and the tools that can help me categorize tasks before on the priority level, which ensures I'm always focused on what's most critical.
What did you do in the last year to improve your knowledge?
I concentrated on increasing my knowledge in a number of ways last year in order to gain a deeper understanding of industry's trends and technologies, particularly in areas like manufacturing, processes, and quality control. I first finished courses related to my industrial technology major, which is welding and fabrication. Furthermore, my part-time work in project management in lean manufacturing has taught me effective efficiency and teamwork techniques. In order to keep up with the most recent developments, I've also developed the practice of routinely reading journals and other publications and following important technology blogs. I now have a better understanding of how to apply what I'm learning in real-world situations because to these efforts.
What are your salary expectations?
I am open to discussing salary and believe we can agree on a figure that aligns with both my skills and the value I can bring to your team. Based on my research and experience, I would expect a salary in the range of 20,000 to 25, though I am flexible and open to negotiating based on the overall compensation package, benefits, and opportunities for professional growth. Ultimately, my primary goal is to find a position that is the right fit for both me and the company, and I am confident we can reach a mutually beneficial agreement.
Are you applying for other jobs?
Yes, I am exploring opportunities that align with my career goals and professional development. I am interested in finding the best fit where I can apply my skill, contribute meaningfully, and continue to grow.